Are you looking for ways to make money online in 2024? Welcome to AI Global Tech, where today, we'll explore 11 exciting websites that can help you monetize your skills, interests, and investments. Stay tuned to find out more about these profitable websites. First on our list are freelance platforms, Fiverr and Upwork. These platforms have revolutionized the way freelancers and clients connect. Fiverr, known for its unique concept of selling services or gigs, starting at just $5, offers freelancers the opportunity to showcase their talents in a multitude of areas. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, or a digital marketer, Fiverr has a place for you. Switching gears to Upwork, this platform also offers a broad spectrum of categories for freelancers. From web development to customer service and even virtual assistants, Upwork provides a global marketplace for skills and services. What sets Upwork apart is its bidding system, allowing freelancers to bid on projects that suit their skills and pricing. The beauty of these platforms is their global reach. You could be sitting in Paris designing a logo for a company in Tokyo, so if you have a skill or service to offer, these platforms could be your ticket to earning online. But what if you're interested in something other than freelancing? Well, there's a world of diverse opportunities waiting for you. Take Amazon Mechanical Turk, for instance. It's a platform where you can get paid for completing small tasks, like data entry or surveys. If you're passionate about writing, Medium and Hub Pages offer a great platform to publish your work and earn money through ad revenue. For the educators out there, Udemy and Skillshare allow you to create and sell online courses, making education accessible and profitable. If e-commerce is your jam, you can sell handmade goods on Etsy or find a market for almost anything on eBay. For the financially savvy, Robinhood and Acorns are platforms where you can buy and sell stocks, putting your money to work. And if you're open to a bit of everything, Swagbucks and Survey Junkie offer paid surveys, allowing you to earn a little extra cash on the side. With such a diverse range of options, you're sure to find something that fits your interests and skills. And that wraps up our list of 11 websites to make money online in 2024. From Fiverr and Upwork, where you can offer your unique skills to a global clientele, to Amazon Mechanical Turk for completing bite-sized tasks. For the shutterbugs among us, Shutterstock offers a platform to monetize your creativity. Medium and Hub Pages serve as the perfect platforms for the writers out there, while Udemy and Skillshare allow you to share your knowledge through online courses. If e-commerce is your cup of tea, Etsy and eBay are your go-to platforms. And for the investors, Robinhood and Acorns provide a gateway to the stock market. Lastly, earn some extra cash through online survey sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content from AI Global Tech. Until next time, happy earning.